It's Bill here from Melbourne City Maintenance, and I'm at another weatherboard repair and paint job in Northcote. And this house was recently re-stumped, and as a result a lot of the weatherboards fell out of place and moved, and some of the damaged weatherboards, the rotten ones, were really fell apart. Basically what needed to happen was, once the house was leveled and re-stumped and had settled, the client needed to have the weatherboards repaired, the rotten ones removed, the window sills and ledges that were faulty or rotten also removed, and then replaced with new. So we began this job with that in mind, and I'm going to take you around and show you a little bit of what we've done. So as you can see, the existing weatherboards are in pretty decent condition. Most of them are. There's some flaky paint and there's some little imperfections that need to be sorted out, but that's nothing major. But then further down here we had several areas where weatherboards had rotted away and needed to be replaced. So we went about and took the old weatherboards off and got rid of those, and then we began to insert the new weatherboards so that we can replace what was damaged and what was missing. And we are now getting to that point where we're finishing off the preparation and removing any flaky paint or any imperfections that are going to not need to be painted over. We're going to sort out all of these little things that are sticking out of the wall. Now we're going to get to that point where we have repaired with appropriate fillers the areas that need to be prepared. Then we will sand them, and we will apply again the right amount of filler for the right result, the right job, and then we're going to go about painting everything. And this is the main area that was damaged by the home being re-stumped and leveled. So we've attended to that, and then on the other side, which has had some damage as well, we've gone and attended to all the areas that needed sanding and that needed refilling. We've done that on the windows. We've done that on these weatherboards, where we replaced a whole bunch of weatherboards here that needed attention and needed to be removed. So they're done, they're ready to go. We're really close to starting to put paint on this building, and you can see the gutters and the fascias have also had some work done, where it's been a long time since they were painted, and we had the flaky paint removed, and now we're going to go about filling gaps and cracks and then getting that ready for 2 coats of Brunswick green, and then also 2 coats of Heritage red on the gutter. The front of the house is the area that needs the majority of the work, because it is facing east and it gets the weather all day, every day, and also because it's the front of the house and we need to make sure that it looks really nice and inviting for people to come home to, and there's not a lot of blemishes left behind that look bad and make the house just feel a little bit rough. And you can see that we've done a lot of weatherboard repairs along here as well. And now that we've done the repairs and filled all the gaps and cracks with the appropriate fillers, this place is almost ready to paint. And as you come along here, the rest of the house looks pretty good, but nonetheless it's been a while since it was previously painted, and all weatherboards homes need a little bit of love and attention every 8 to 10 years or so. And here we are, the red is starting to go on the first coat on the gutter, and you can see the difference it's making already, and it's looking really fantastic. So if you are in Northcote and you're looking for a house painter, please do get in touch with Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and we'll do a free quote for you, and we'll make your house look amazing again, and we'll get it from looking tired and worn out to looking fresh, and give it another lease of life, and give it at least another 10 years of protection from the elements. And soon, once we're done, I'll take you through the after photos and after video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so here we are at the after video. We have now completed the painting on all surfaces, and there's some final small touch-ups being done, but the gutters have had 2 coats, the green has had 2 coats, and the weatherboards have had 2 coats, and they are starting to look really good. You can see that all the imperfections are gone. The place is looking really sharp and clean. The number is back on, and now we are looking really good, and the customer is really happy. They've been hanging around these last few days, and they've given us the thumbs up on the work that we've done. Everything looks clean. There's no dust, there's no cobwebs, there's no damaged weatherboards. The fence and the gate is looking great, and so the weatherboards that were replaced, they're looking like brand new, and like there was never ever a problem there. And we've just made it look really fresh and clean and ready for sale, and ready for the new owners to move straight into, so that there's nothing else that they need to do. It's a really good job. We're really proud of this, and the customer is really happy. It just goes to show you that a coat of paint makes all the world of difference. We've replaced the frame on that window and the ledge on that window, and we filled all the gaps and cracks, and we made this place look really smart and really sharp, and we're really proud of it. And if you're looking for some weatherboard repairs in Northcote, please do get in touch for a free quote. Call Bill on 0403 162374, and we'll do a before and after that you won't believe, and it'll give your home another 8 to 10 years of maintenance free worries, where basically you get to enjoy what your home looks like, and you'll also be able to experience what it's like to not have weatherboards falling off and repairs needing done.